Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Another video, another vlog of course. So, ayan, another panty haul na naman tayo guys. Ayan, nag-fade na nga pala ang aking tattoos. Okay, so I have two colors here. Ayan, black and white. Ayan, so guys, this is high cut. Nabili ko siya sa mall, okay? High cut siya. Diba? Ganito siya kaganda. Ang cute niya. And then, ayan, love, love, love. O, diba? Maganda siya, guys. And then, high cut. Tingnan nyo. Maganda siya. And then, this one is 39 pesos, guys. 39 pesos. This is large. I think this is large, yes. Large to, so kasya to sa akin. I really like this. May mga ganitong kulay na ako na vlog na, ganitong high cut din siya. Meron ako nun. So, tingnan nyo na lang yung iba. So, for today's video, ayan. Ang cute niya talaga, guys. Very, very cute one. Okay, so, I really like white talaga siya, lalo na kung wala akong menstruation. So, I like white color. So, ito naman dito. Same, XL di ay na siya, XL. Ayan, so XL siya guys. Ito naman, heart, heart, heart. Can you see guys? It's heart, 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 and then, kiss. Ay, sana all. Lots of love and kisses. Ayan, so XL siya guys. Tanggalon na lang natin eh. This one is 39 pesos also. Ayan, ganito yung laman niya sa loob. Diba? Pak, pak, pak. Ang ganda niya talaga siya. So, actually, I like white and black. Minsan lang ang mga kulay. Pagdating sa panty, I like it. High cut, and gusto ko yung mga ganito, guys. So, isuot na natin to siya, guys. Tanggalin lang natin to. Yung isa. Let's remove the ayan. So, na natin ito silang dalawa, and then check natin kung alin. Comment below guys kung alin ang gusto niyo ang kulay. Which color do you like for me? And of course, like and subscribe. Make sure you do comment because I am reading your comments, okay? Yeah. So, okay na? Subscribe to my channel. Let's go. So, na natin to. So, ito ang aking white. I told you guys, white is beautiful also. I have a lot of mosquito bite. I'm sorry. Ayan, maganda siya guys, ang white. Ganda yung kanyang fittings. I like it. O, diba? Saan ka pa? Medyo tumaba na ako. Chubby Paladin. Ay, maganda siya guys. Sorry for this mosquito. So, ayan siya guys. Okay. White is beautiful. White is beautiful. White is beautiful guys. Okay. Ako naman isuot natin. Ayan ang aking black. Ang ganda siya ang ganda guys ng black. I like the black one. As I told you guys, black is beautiful. Ayan, maganda siya guys. Diba? And same din dito. Maganda siya mag-black guys. Diba? Maganda siya. And yan. I really like this kind of cut guys. Pag ganito siya na cut is talagang pak na pak talaga yung kanyang cut. High cut guys. I like this kind. Yung mga pag yung kanyang cut. I like it. Thank you for watching. Comment below guys, and I love you all.